Upon a time, in a bright, colorful meadow, there lived two friends, an ant and a grasshopper. The grasshopper loved to sing and dance all day, enjoy the sunshine. However, he never worried about the future. The ant, his other side, worked tirelessly every day, gathering food and storing in her home for the cold winter ahead. Every day, the grasshopper saw the ant working hard, carrying bits of food on her little house. The grasshopper asked the ant, "Why don't you relax and have some fun with me?" The grasshopper asked, "There is plenty of time to work. You can gather food later. Let's enjoy the day." The ant shook her head and said, "I must prepare for the winter. I won't have time to play when it's cold and I need to store food now." "My dear friend Grasshopper, the winter is coming." Grasshopper laughing at ant and continued sing and dance. "Winter is far away. You are worrying too much." And as the days passed, the weather grew colder and the grasshopper soon realized that he had no food for their winter. He went to Ant's home and shivering in the cold. "Please, Ant, may I have some food? I don't prepare for the winter like you." The ant looked at the grasshopper and said, "I worked hard to gather food for myself. I hope this teaches you that planning ahead is important." The grasshopper was ashamed, but he thanked an ant for her kindness. From that day, the grasshopper promised always plan ahead and work hard when he needed. Dear fellas, today's hard work and preparation will help you in the future. Don't wait until it's too late. I hope you like the story. If you like it, share and subscribe. Down Al Heather Cartoons. I will meet you in the next exciting story. Until goodbye.